Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to get on here and share with you guys something that I purchased recently. I've been wanting something like this before, but I just haven't had a chance to do reviews and stuff like that. So yeah, so I went on Amazon and I checked out some of the products that I've been looking for, and I found one and I wanted to do an unboxing. I haven't opened it yet, but there are tons of good reviews on this product on Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and link down in the description box below where I picked it up at. So if you want to get one, you can. So the product that I picked up is this Satiny Smooth All-in-One Facial Trim System. Not sure if you can see that. The brand is Conair, and summertime's coming. I'm not sure how many ladies or gentlemen like to, get all clean and hairless for the summer. So it actually does facial hair removal, body hair trimmer, and I don't know what that is. A detailer, I guess, for your eyebrows. But I got it for this specific reason right here, for the bikini line, and I just wanted to open it up and show you guys what's in here. So let's do that now. How you guys been doing? I'm so excited, you guys. Summer is around the corner. We got a couple more weeks before this kids are out of school. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this little cute pouch, and it says Conair right here on the corner. Cute little zipper pouch, I guess, to travel with. And it's this huge box, and look. So it has like the instructions and stuff like that right here. Like, really? Do you really need this big box? So it comes with a charger, a travel charger. So everything obviously comes in this little box right here. The main attachment I see in here. Like that. Oh, it's already charged. It has a little LED light right here. Like this one right here is the multi-use trimmer for head to toe grooming, and it just has like little teeth on it like that. Eyebrow trimmer. So it has a longer piece here and then a smaller one right here. Super cute. And I guess this is like the main head that you connect it to. Yeah, so there is, I'm not sure if you can see that, but there is like an arrow and stuff where you can attach them, attach the pieces. So like that, yeah, and you turn it to lock it. This head is a rotary shaver, I guess it's called. So it comes with the main one, this one, and then it has 2 extra heads, which is good. So it comes with 2 extra ones. This one is an eyebrow comb. I'm not sure. This piece, yeah, so that attachment goes on there. So you can like trim your eyebrows if they get a little thick. Detail comb, which it's the attachment that goes to this piece right here. You just snap that on like so. It removes unwanted facial hair to keep soft skin smooth and preps the skin to receive treatments and makeup application. Attachments include for hair remover, arms, legs, bikini area, and eyebrows. So yes, I am going to be using this mainly for my bikini area, and it comes with a charger cord and adapter. Okay, and it says hypoallergenic foils for less irritation, and that's what I'm aiming for, just because, you know, summertime, you want to throw on your bathing suit and look super cute without having to worry about any razor bumps down there. But yeah, so this is my new product that I'm going to be testing out. I'll probably do like a review after a month or so, just to see how it's coming along. And I'm going to go ahead and link down in the description box below where I got it. And so the plug right here, it's just like any plug. It just has the attachment here, and you just, like so, plug it in. You can either use it while it's plugged in, or not. Let's go ahead and try it out. Let me see. See if I got any little hairs on my arms that I can show you guys. It pretty smooth, you guys. Okay, well, like I said, I'm gonna hop on here probably in another month or so. I just kind of want to give it a couple of weeks just to try it out and see if I actually like it. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.